Hey guys, today I'm going to be replacing some of my dying spruce trees. We had a very wet summer last year and they didn't do so well. This year has been exceptionally dry and I've been getting a lot of weevil activity. I'm going to show you some of that weevil damage and how I ripped out these old trees, and then when I planted my new ones from Costco, the little surprise that I found. So as you can see here, some of these trees are really not doing that well. I got some trees here that are going to be replacing these because I'm actually going to pull these out of the ground and start over from scratch. Let's have a close-up look at some of the damage that was done, some of the evidence. These trees were a little bit weaker, they're pretty new, but they did have a good growing season last year. But as you can see here, these are the holes that were created, and then were the grubs inside. We're going through and picking away and eating away at the interior of the tree. So here's another up close look at the trees. You can see the holes there that the beetles have created, and then this is inside behind the bark. You can see that the birds have been here trying to get the grubs out. And here are the trees that I picked up from Costco today. They're about 70 bucks each and bucket grown with a nice root ball and not ripped out of the ground. Well, at least that's what I initially thought. So it looks as if these trees from Costco are not actually grown in the pots, because there's burlap here inside, and then if you cut away the burlap, it's just like clay, and you can see where roots were cut, where this was taken out of a farm and cut very small and put into these pots, and then finished off with a very thick compost material with a lot of wood chips in it and fertilizer. So hopefully that doesn't mean that the roots are damaged, and I do hope that they will recover. Hey guys, it's me from the future. It's been a few years. Just wanted to give you a quick update on how that tree is doing. Well, not so good. After the first year, it kind of seemed like it was going to survive, but the damage to the roots, it just couldn't pull through. So after the second winter, there was nothing left to it, and I had to pull it out, and I replaced it with this tree right here. So this one was grown in the pot and not on a farm, and it looks very healthy. So I have high hopes with this one. So it's pretty unfortunate that Costco supplier rips their trees out of the ground and puts them in pots for resale. Now it's only the 10-gallon trees that I noticed this with, the spruce trees in particular. All the other trees I got from Costco, I've never had any issues. They're all growing up to be very healthy. I hope that you found this information helpful and learned something today. If so, do give me a thumbs up and please like and subscribe.